So hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. So today in this video I am gonna show you that how you can stake ApeCoin ape on AAX exchange. Okay, and you can earn 80% APY on ApeCoin. Okay, so make sure to watch the video till end, and I will tell you that how you can stake ApeCoin and earn 80% APY on Ape. Okay, so first of all you must have to create account on aaxexchange.com. so link in the description. Make sure to click on the link and you will see this page right here. Okay, so just enter the email and enter the password here, and just scroll down and click on agree and click on sign up. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link to get to claim extra 110 USDT welcome bonus. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link to get this benefit. So after creating account you can see the interface of aaxexchange.com, and here you can see. Okay guys, so here you can see all the different options. So first of all you just have to click on savings option. Okay, right here you can see the savings option. Just click on here and you can see all the tokens that you can stake here and earn passive income completely free. Okay, so here in the search bar if you sign up through my link, okay, if you sign up through my link you can get 60% APY on Bitcoin, which is crazy APY you can get. Okay, so this is the benefit of creating account through my link. Okay, so here you can see the search bar right here. Okay, so just enter ApeCoin, just search ApeCoin. So in the search bar I just search ape. Okay, so okay, okay guys, here you can see that I just search ApeCoin and you can see the ape fixed. Okay, first time exclusive. Okay, so make sure to create account through my link to get this benefit, and you can earn 80% APY, which is crazy APY you can earn on ApeCoin. Okay, so here you can see the subscribe button. Just click on subscribe button and you will see the new page right here. Okay, so you will get 80% APY, and you can stake minimum 1 ape token, and you can stake maximum 200 ApeCoin. Okay, so if you want to stake, let's say 200 ApeCoin. Okay, so if you want to stake 200 ApeCoins, you will earn 3 ApeCoin after 7 days right here. Okay, completely passive income you can earn from staking ApeCoin on aaxexchange.com. you will not earn this APY on any other crypto exchange. Okay, so just enter the amount of tokens here you want to stake, and just click on read and agreement and click on confirm subscription. Okay, so you just click on continue and click on confirm subscription. Okay, so this is the video that how you can stake ApeCoin on aaxexchange.com and earn 80% APY, which is crazy APY right here. Okay, so if you don't have a balance of ApeCoin, you want to deposit, just click on add funds and you can deposit your ApeCoin. Here you can see the transfer, deposit and buy. Okay, so just click on deposit and okay, so here you can see the network is ERC20. Okay, so it is only available on ERC20. so this is my address. You can deposit ApeCoin on your address. Okay, so this is the video that how you can deposit ApeCoin on aaxexchange.com and earn 80% APY, which is crazy APY, and you can generate passive income right here. Okay, so after after this staking end, you can also stake your tokens again and earn ApeCoin again and again. Okay, so make sure to like the video if you want to stake ApeCoin. Okay, and make sure to create account through my link to get this $110 extra welcome bonus right here. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.